Struggling with error code 80244010 while updating Windows 11? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through 4 simple fixes to resolve this Windows Update error. To do that via the Control Panel, press the Windows key plus R hotkey. Input Control Panel in the open text box and click the OK button. Select the All Control Panel items option shown below. Click Troubleshooting to open the applet directly below. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run Windows Update. Click on Yes, then Apply. Press the Windows key plus S hotkey. Enter CMD in the search box. Right-click Command Prompt to select Run as Administrator. Enter this command first, then enter sfc/scano in the command prompt and press the Return key. Wait for the SFC scan to finish. Restart Windows if the scan repairs files. To do that, open the command prompt as an administrator. Then input the separate commands below. Enter the command renc Windows Software Distribution and press the Return button. Then input renc Windows System 32 catroot 2 catroot 2 old in the prompt and press the Enter key. Input these commands separately to restart their services. Open the Run accessory. Input gpedit demsc in the open box and click OK to open Group Policy Editor. Then click Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, and Windows Updates on the left of Group Policy Editor. Double-click the Automatic Update Detection Frequency policy on the right of the window. Select the Enabled option. Then enter a value less than the default 22 in the interval text box. Click the Apply option. Click OK to close the window. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.